Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria now wants Parliament to set up a new committee that will oversee the implementation of the President's executive order. And he further proposes to chair the 27-member committee that will also include the House leadership. But even as he prepares a motion to present before Parliament when it opens next week, Majority Leader in the National Assembly, that's Aden Duale, accuses Kuria of seeking cheap publicity.
As Parliament resumes next week after a long recess, the politics that have dominated conversations during that period is likely to take center stage. One such is the President's executive order that was in some quarters seen as a way of clipping the Deputy President William Ruto's wings. A suggestion by Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria to have a new standing committee, Parliamentary Development Oversight Coordination Committee, is likely to reignite the political aspect of the executive order. In his motion addressed to the Speaker of the National Assembly, Kuria argues it is critical that Parliament plays a key role in enforcing the executive order. He outlines 4 terms of reference for the committee. He says the committee should coordinate legislative and budgetary expectations, coordinate efficient and timely flow of information from MPs in their constituencies, offer requisite political and communication support, and create linkages between MPs and the structures under the executive order. Kuria has gone ahead to propose himself as the chairperson of the 27-member committee that includes the House leadership from across the political divide and chairpersons of committees. However, the standing orders are explicit. Chairpersons of committees cannot be in more than one committee. But Kuria insists his is just a proposal, as the final word rests with the House. Majority Leader Aden Duale, in a telephone interview with NTV, laughed off the proposal by Kuria, saying it was a way of seeking publicity and it will most likely not see the light of day. Duale says since the motion is from a private member and not from any political formation, it has to pass through the necessary process, and that is taking it to the House Business Committee. Then it has to be on the queue for consideration as there are other requests. He adds the earliest it could be considered, if at all, is either June or July. Duale also says most of Kuria's recommendations towards the standing committee are being catered for by other line committees. Kennedy Muredhi, NTV.